Want to make your home smarter, more convenient, and surprisingly fun? These genius Amazon smart home gadgets take care of the little things so you can focus on the big moments. From automating routines to boosting comfort, they make everyday life feel effortless. All the products are linked in the description below. Sweeping just got effortless with this touchless vacuum dustpan. Wave your broom and it instantly sucks up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris. No bending required. The 1,000-watt motor powers through messes fast, while high-efficiency filters keep the air clean. Always ready with motion-activated sensors, it makes daily cleanup quick and hygienic. Perfect for kitchens, homes with pets, or anyone who hates bending over to sweep. Want a plant that seems to float on air? This levitating bonsai pot hovers magically above its base and slowly spins 360 degrees. You can watch your plant from every angle as it rotates silently in mid-air. Made of lightweight resin, it's easy to set up and maintain. Perfect for small indoor plants or herbs, it adds a futuristic touch to any desk or shelf. A mesmerizing gift that turns ordinary greenery into a conversation piece. Tired of touching smelly trash? This smart trash conceals your garbage automatically with just a press of a button. Once full, it replaces the bag on its own, so you never struggle with bag changes. The touchless lid opens with a wave of your hand or a nudge of your knee. Voice prompts guide you and your family, making it super easy to use. Hygienic, convenient, and perfect for kitchen, bathroom, or office. Dishes piling up in a small kitchen? This portable countertop dishwasher handles it all. It fits over 30 items at once, from plates and cups to cutlery and even baby bottles. 6 wash programs, including quick, ECO, and baby care, make cleaning easy and thorough. The built-in 5-liter tank means no plumbing hookup is needed, just fill and go. Compact, energy efficient, and perfect for apartments, RVS, or dorms. Cleaning windows doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This electric squeegee vacuums away water and grime in one smooth swipe. It works on mirrors, showers, tiles, and countertops, making every surface sparkling clean. Lightweight and easy to hold, it fits comfortably in your hand for fast, effortless cleaning. The included spray bottle and microfiber pad give you a complete, streak-free system in minutes. Tired of stale chips and snacks? This mini bag sealer keeps your food fresh with just one press. It seals and cuts in one go, no preheating, no hassle. Small and portable, it sticks to your fridge or slides easily into a bag. Just clamp it over any opened bag and slide to seal. It's a simple, quick way to save snacks and reduce waste. Need a cozy glow anywhere you go? This portable table lamp gives warm, soft light that you can adjust with a simple twist. It lasts up to 9.5 hours on high or over 100 hours on low, making it perfect for indoors or patios. Choose steady light for tasks or flickering mode for a relaxed vibe. Lightweight and cordless, it fits on desks, tables, or even outdoor spots. Stylish, rechargeable, and ready to brighten your space anytime. Smudges and dust are no match for this mini glasses cleaner. Each clip has soft microfiber pads that gently wipe lenses without scratching. You can carry it anywhere, purse, pocket, or backpack, so your glasses stay spotless on the go. Quick and easy to use. It's perfect for sunglasses, reading glasses, or everyday eyewear. Comes as a set of 5, so you always have one handy. Wet boots and gloves are no fun, but this dryer fixes that fast. The telescopic, bendable ports reach deep inside even tall boots, while the foldable rack holds shoes, gloves, or ski gear of all sizes. Warm air gently dries everything in just a couple of hours. The built-in timer lets you set it and forget it, saving energy. Lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for keeping your gear ready to go. Plants can be adorable, but this AI planter makes them downright magical. It watches over your plant's water and light needs while showing cute emoji reactions. You get a little desk companion that's part robot, part plant buddy, making care fun and interactive. Its compact design fits even the tiniest spaces without cluttering your desk. Perfect for plant lovers who want smart care with a playful twist. Want DSLR-style shots without the bulky camera? This magnetic phone grip turns your smartphone into a steady, comfortable camera in seconds. The ergonomic design keeps your hand balanced, while the detachable wireless shutter lets you snap photos from a distance. Strong magnets hold your phone securely, and you can even attach tripods or lights for extra versatility. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's perfect for vlogs, selfies, or group shots anywhere. Tired of guessing how much flour or sugar to use? This smart storage system does it for you. Just select your ingredient, and it automatically measures and dispenses the perfect amount into your bowl. The built-in digital scale ensures every portion is accurate, whether you're baking or cooking. It keeps over 100 dry ingredients fresh in airtight containers. Smart, simple, and a total time saver in your kitchen. If your closet feels cramped, these multi-tier hangers give you room to breathe. Each one holds multiple pairs of pants at once, so you free up space instantly. You can hang them horizontally or vertically, depending on what works best for you. The non-slip coating keeps every item in place, even heavier jeans. They're sturdy, lightweight, and ready to use right out of the box. No setup required. Keeping your walls safe shouldn't be a constant battle. This soft silicone cover slips right over a flat door handle and gives you instant protection. You get a comfy grip that shields your hand from hot or cold metal, while the built-in suction pad cushions every swing so the handle never slams into the wall. It pops on in seconds with no tools needed. You can reuse it, clean it easily, and fit it onto most standard door levers. If stuffed animals keep taking over the room, this tall storage tube is the hero you need. It stands upright like a mini tower, giving you tons of space without eating up the floor. You just unzip the reinforced opening, drop in the plushies, and seal everything inside a clean, dust-free home. The clear body lets you see exactly what's inside. It's sturdy, lightweight, and perfect for keeping toys organized for years. Here's a compact kitchen helper that actually earns its spot in your drawer. This handheld vacuum sealer pulls air out of reusable bags in seconds, keeping leftovers, snacks, and meal-prepped ingredients fresher for much longer. It's cordless, lightweight, and small enough to toss in a travel bag for camping or road trips. The reusable bags work for hot or cold storage, making it a simple way to cut down on waste. If your charging cables keep slipping behind the desk, these tiny spring-loaded clips make everything stay exactly where you want it. Each one opens with a quick one-hand press, so you can pop cords in or out without tugging or rerouting anything. They stick to smooth surfaces, hold multiple cable sizes, and keep your setup looking neat, whether they're on a nightstand, office desk, or even in the car. If cleaning outside windows makes you feel like you need superhero powers, this magnetic glider does the job without you ever leaning out. It grips both sides of the glass at once, letting you clean indoors, while the outer side mirrors your every move. You can adjust the magnetic strength for different window thicknesses, so it always stays secure. Large built-in sponges keep everything soaked and smooth as you wipe. Fast, safe, and perfect for high-rise windows that are usually impossible to reach. If you love lighting that doubles as decor, this rotating desk lamp brings a really cool twist to your space. The globe in the center slowly spins on its own, casting shifting colors you can change with a simple hand gesture. It also works as a wireless charger, so your phone powers up while the lamp sets the vibe. Completely cordless and rechargeable, it fits anywhere you want a modern, tech-forward touch. Paper piles giving you attitude? This electric stapler shuts them down in seconds. You just slide your pages in, and it fires a clean staple instantly. No waiting, no jams, no frustration. It handles thick bundles easily and uses regular staples you already have. A little light lets you know when it's running low, and there's even extra storage tucked inside. Fast, smooth, and built to keep your workflow moving. Ever open a cabinet at night and feel like you're searching in a cave? These tiny hinge lights snap on automatically the moment you open the door. They're small, bright, and fit right onto the hinge, so you don't need extra space or wiring. Close the door and the light shuts off instantly, saving power without you thinking about it. Perfect for kitchen cabinets, closets, or any dark corner you want to brighten effortlessly. If reaching your back feels like trying to wash a spot on another planet, this wall-mounted scrubber fixes that instantly. It rotates on its own, covering hard-to-reach areas without you lifting a finger. An adaptive sensor adjusts the speed as soon as it feels pressure, so the scrubbing always feels just right. You get multiple brush heads for exfoliating, cleansing, and boosting lather. And with waterproof construction and long battery life, you just step in, press a button, and let it do the work for you. Imagine a fridge that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. This transparent design lets you see everything inside without opening the door, saving you time and energy. With smart panels that switch from clear to opaque, you control privacy with a single tap. Inside, customizable lighting makes your food look like it's on display in a high-end gallery. It's sleek, futuristic, and turns your kitchen into a modern showpiece. If sticky floors make you feel like you're fighting a losing battle, this steam mop turns the tide fast. Rotating pads scrub over 100 times a minute, so you glide instead of struggle. 3 steam levels let you pick the power you need, from quick wipe downs to deep stain removal. A focused steam blast tackles stubborn spots in seconds. And with bright LED headlights, you see every crumb hiding under furniture while you clean with just water. Ever wished you could melt stress right off your head? This electric scalp massager wraps your entire scalp with 20 vibrating touch points that work from all angles. You get multiple modes that switch up the rhythm, so you can choose exactly how you want to relax. Bluetooth lets you play your favorite sounds while you unwind, and the built-in timer shuts things off automatically, so you can just sit back and enjoy the calm. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.